So are you blaming those people who are against imithi?
Ubuntu bunganzwa kanjani masithi mhlambe omunye umuntu aware ukuthi mhlambe mekuphahla lapha nomhlambe indawo yami ngiphahlela khona uyakhona ukuthi lokho ngikucela bese siyaguqula kunenyama enye bese siyafaka nemithi igubhele after a few days angichuza ukuthi nale mtuthwana uyayithatha uyafaka lapha uphakamisana lo moya lo muntu lana yamvusa kunemithi uvusa umuntu emathuneni ufuna abantu bayenzele igubhu kusasa acela besenza
No, it's the munchies. They asked me, can you please ask? It's a ritual that's happening in Matsunen Gatlika. You believe in bring back your lost lover?
ulahlekelwe yini
No.
sikusize masisha
Do I have one? Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani, I am your chef, and of course today, Doctor. Kunjani?
siyaphila nina
Namhlanje yimnawe sticking kuzowinewinayo eluzayo. But anyway, let me not take a shine away from you. Ngizocela ukuthi uzazise ukuthi ngubani ubuyaphi labo abangakwazi abangafisa ukwazi nokuthi utholakala kanjani.
Makhosi Thokozane Lesedi Camago ke mkhulu letsatsi bitso la kala lapeng ke morapedi ke nomene ke Moswane ke motaung wa hlalele ke ngwana bontšhithi ya morapedi ngwana le beslago mo petole kala malala o twe taung ha marena mangata mara nna ke hlalele fela ke tswalwa le ke bona ba fukeng ba mahwane bo matlalane le ba fukeng ba mapudungwana phatla toto malenyela tlatlane mo go mesa tswale mosing e tswala mosiara bana na ba ishibile ha e tswala bosigo thia hlolwa nna ke letswallo la Wardville Kopinoni ntate ke letswallo la Lesotho tulo ke matikiring ke Maputswe ke Lesotho hona le tulo ho thweng ke Hachaka ke montate a tswalwang teng ke Motaung mena o tswalwa Freestata tulo ho thweng ke Poloro ya be nna se ke tswalwa hona ko Wardville nna ke ngaka initiate as well ke re thwasisa bana ba sedimo re thusa batho ba kulang batho ba hlanyang batho ba batlang ditshebetso tsa bongaka batho ba batlang mhlomo dinto ba tsa bona dikwetswe batho ba di businesses nna ke rwadisa ngithwalisa bantu benkosi mina ngiyaphakamisa umsebenzi kunokuphakamisa kunokuthwalisa mina ngithwalisi mina ngiyaphakamisa umsebenzi ngesimo samagona ngesimo sokuthi ngensebenzo so any other services tse di batlang tsa sikhwama sesiswewu ngoba isikhwama sikabili kunesikhwama esimnyama kunesikhwama esimhlophe mina ngisebenza ngesikhwama esimhlophe ngitholakala eWardville eBinoni kiko Gauteng babaphila abantu Thosa.
You can give them your numbers if you are comfortable.
Makhosi ya most definitely number tsaka ke 074 910 3317 074 910 3317. I also have a YouTube channel ke Dr. Norman Moswane kapa mhlomo Dr. Letsatsi ke tla fumana hona mo with everything that I'm doing, everything that I'm rendering to the public. Mabaphile abantu Thosa.
Mabaphile abantu njengoba echaza ke udokotela wami nimzwile usichazile ukuthi ngubani namhlanje we're going to have so much fun. Siyakhuluma la siyafundisa la siyakha la ngihlale ngisho ukuthi take what works for you, run with it. If ingakusebenzeli don't run with it. Dokotela, thank you so much for honoring the invitation. I don't take you for granted. My munchies don't take you for granted. Let me tell you a story before we start. One of the munchies, they said, bayajabula uma abalaphi besintu or abantu abasebenza ngabantu mabezofika la beyichaze ngolimi lwabo besichaze ukuthi bangobani njengoba nesichaza ibenza bona beziqhenye njengabantu nabo besintu. Then kunomunye futhi one of our manchi, she's in UK bengikhuluma naye izolo uLindiwe Ngwenya. I know you're always watching us, we talk a lot. uLindiwe yazi utake imi izolo yazi chef lento eyenzayo wena awuyiboni kodwa iyasisiza thina singabantu abalapha ngesintu abasebancane abasakhula ukuthi sincele ulwazi kulabantu balethayo and isenza futhi ukuthi singazinyezi ngeziphephi esiphiwe zona. As I proceed, kuzoba mnandi kakhulu. Dokotela wami, namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume ngokubaluleka kwesiduli.
Makhosi.
Ngifuna sikhulume ngokubaluleka kwezigubhu. Chaza ukuthi sisebenza ngezigubhu. Ngobuhle nobubi baso. Then we'll proceed.
Amen.
But our starting point, sikhuluma ngesiduli. Sihlale sizwa ngesiduli. Ngaye ngatshelwa ngesiduli mina myself but I didn't understand. So today ngizocela ukuthi wena ungichazele kanye nababukeli that ababheke iManches and Thoughts ngoba siyatshelwa these days izinto dokotela singazi ukuthi kumele si yenze njani. The floor is yours.
Before we start by explaining indaba yesiduli, I'll be making a very big mistake ngokuthi I'm where I am today because of Gobela wami Mbane Zulu. He's delayed. Is Timothy Hope, and currently ngithola amandla kakhulu inkosikazi yami engipha amandla kakhulu nomakhosi wamankayi, but ngimshadile soon izoba Mrs. Msuwane. Ngithanda ukuthi naye imbonge kakhulu, ngibonge neteam engisebenzisana nayo kakhulu, abafowethu bayinyanga nabantwana bami amadlozi. Ngithanda ukuthi konke lokho ngikwenzayo ngikwenzela for mina kuphela, ngenzela wonke umuntu ukuthi khona baphile ngoba lo umsebenzi onzima nje kakhulu. Ngithanda ukuthi lapho abakhona babazobalandela naManches and Thoughts bahlale bazothi ngiyabonga nje kakhulu in everything that they are doing, and nonkosikazi yami nomakhosi ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Let's do a cheers to your wife nomakhosi, to the people you are working with, abafowenu edlozini nabantwana bakhe edlozini nobaba wakho ongasekho emhlabeni, sithi siyabonga. You can proceed.
Ke tla hlalosa ka taba ya hore the importance yesiduli kapa seolo.
Okay, before we are important isiduli, yini isiduli? Uqala usichaze bese uchaza ubuhle baso nobubi baso, then you can proceed.
Okay. Ha re bua ka seolo, re bua ka mobu o kukumohileng ka hare hona le dikokonyana. Noma mhlambe ngithi inhlabathi siyibone most of the time ukuthi isehlane. Abanye abantu bazazibuza ukuthi le nhlabathi le ekhukhumele ngaphakathi kunani kwenzakalani. Omhlamba bayiphula babona ukuthi kunembovane noma mhlambe kunentuthwane ngaphakathi. Abelungu bayibiza bathi it's an ant hill. Lento le yasebenza kakhulu. Thi ngicala ukuthi the importance yakhona ngicala endabeni ukuthi mhlambe masithi umuntu akanalikhaya. Uyafika ukuthi abalaphi bendabuko sithi hamba uyophahla ekhaya kini mhlawumbe ngabo baba kwathi mina ngazi ngabo baba bathi kwavalwa kudala. So lo muntu lo we normally take that person ngoba mhlawumbe umuntu ongakwazi nokuphahla ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuphahla kuhamba kanjani, because thina singabalaphi bendabuko we also are mentoring the people ukuthi ukuphahlwa kanjani ngoba kunabanye abantu ukuthi balahla isiko or mhlawumbe sihamba bafundiswe ukuthi ukuphahlwa kanjani. So endumbeni is not only about ukuthi umuntu kumele umnikeze imithi, kumele umuntu afuthe and so on. It's very much important mawumlapha endabuko ukuthi kumele ukhona ukuthi nokukhansela abantu, kumele ukwazi nokumentora abantu. So in this case endabeni yesiduli umuntu uyamthatha umisa esidulweni bese uyomcelisa khona esidulweni because ukuphi futhi isehlane. So the importance yesiduli when it comes endabeni yokuphahla ukuthi kulapho amadlozi sikhona ukuthi siwabize, kulapho sikhona ukuthi we summon them. Kudala bebakhona ukuthi bashaya iphondo, especially iphondo lekulu, abanye bashaya impempe, abanye bayaphahla, abanye bayamemeza and so on. Amadlozi wethu asiwabizi ngendlela ezifanayo. Kodwa the importance yokuphahla esidulweni kulapho kunganamuntu ozoclaima athi lana amadlozi wasekhaya, indawo yasemadlozi nasekhaya. Kulapho imimoya wonke, all the spirits isihlangana khona, ukhona ukuthi bese mawuphahla laphana bese sokhona ukuthi amadlozi wakho asabele masisha. Mina I've got an experience when it comes endabeni yesiduli ukuthi isiduli mina noma bangathi mhlambe kuyabheda kangakanani, especially if mhlambe bathi amathuna wasekhaya bawagangele or mhlambe abathwebulile abantu bakhona. So I would advise people ukuthi kumele bahambe bayedulini, bahambe bayophahla khona ngoba isiduli nakhona kumele ubheke ukuthi uphahlele esidulini esingasetshenzwanga. Isiduli ifike kasetshenzelwa kuyo uzobona ukuthi kunamakhandlela, kunenefu ezinye eziphuliwe abantu bangasebenzisi isiduli ezinjalo. Kulapho ungakhona ukuthi if mhlambe umuntu akanalikhaya or bathi mhlambe umuntu bathi amathuna wabo bawaganyele or mhlambe ekhaya bathi hamba uphahle ekhaya kunomsindo uhambe yehlane besuya lapha esidulweni besuyophahla khona ukhona ukuthi amadlozi akho ukuthi asabele masisha ngoba ngaphakathi kunempilo ngaphakathi kunembovane ngaphakathi kunezilwanyana esiphila ngaphakathi lento iyafana futhi nani iyafana nethuna ngoba lento thwani ngaphakathi lapha ethuneni lezi zidla umuntu ziyatholakala futhi khona lapho so thina we are exposed to them ukuthi singakhona ukuthi besesenzani besesicela khona futhi isiduli futhi sibe sisebenze njengempinda noma ethanyeke ngiye phakathi kodwa abanye abantu nokuthi makavuka ekuseni athi yazi ngibona amahlanza noma mhlambe ngibona nami kunamagaga kunani into singathuli kathi kwenzakalani so ngizabapha nje kancane nje wena chef ukuthi abantu babahlali banako lenhlabathi ekhaya ukuthi mawuthola into enjalo noma sebenzisa ngemithi uthathe nje uthele lapha kuloko kubona lenhlabathi esiduli uthathe konke nalembovana ushaye usihlanganise uzobona mawucela uzivale phakathi kwebhodlela after few days anyamalala wazi ukuthi ziye kuphi kodwa ziyaphenduka ziba umuthi and futhi kwayona lenhlabathi leyo
sorry uthatha uzivale
lenhlabathi ikhe yonke nalembovana ezingaphakathi uyifake ebhodleleni uhlala unayo ekhaya akusinto embi inhlabathi yethu inhlabathi abantu abadala leyo uyayithatha uthele ngayo noma mhlawumbe uchelo wena ufuthe ngayo iyimpinda at the same time iyakuprotecta manjalo ngoba ifana nomuthi ukuthi ukuprotecta at the very same time ungasebenzisanga imithi nje kuphela especially kubantu abanenkinga bathi mina ngisebenzisa imithi angifuni ukusebenzisa imithi inhlabathi ngiyacabanga ukuthi if uzothi lo nhlabathi la inenkinga that's blasphemy isibona ukuthi uzabuthuka uNkulunkulu ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi izenzo umuntu izenzo uNkulunkulu asenzwa umuntu no matter mhlambe imithi nayo bangayithuka bayithini ukusalayo ukuthi nakhona ngisasho ukuthi umuntu othi imithi kuyinkinga shothi nakhona sathu uNkulunkulu ngoba lemithi ayenzwa ngayithi inyanga so when it comes endabeni esiduli it's very much important ukuthi
Dr. before you go far are you blaming them because right now uma sizwa igama lemithi abantu benza izinto eziningi ngomuthi khona abagangayo khona abangagangayo so are you blaming those people who are against imithi it's a general question
let me say I'll blame them because at the end of the day immediately babona ibhayo babona inyanga esebenza ngemithi wonke bathi ngamademon
okay let's proceed Estuli thank you Estuli yes Dr.
Sizayikhuluma nale ngithanda ukuthi ngangibuza nale ufuna ukuthi besingiyaqhubeka phambili
Dr. cela ubuye esidulini
manje yesiduli it's very much important ukuthi abantu baphahle kubo if mhlawumbe umuntu awunalikhaya mhlawumbe ngababa bakho kamama wakho awazi or mhlawumbe you don't have access yokungena lapho kulomuzi bathi yophahlela khona or mhlawumbe abanye abantu ukuthi ibongo zabo abazazi mhlawumbe isibongo sakho athi mina ubaba ngimazi mama zanga ngitshela ukuthi usala ubani or umama mhlawumbe akamazi ubaba mhlawumbe sithi umama bokumuntu mhlawumbe under multiple partners awazi ukuthi kahle wena uyimvela phi yakuphi so it's very much important ukuthi uphahle lapha amanye amadlozi abo uyasabela khona lapho maphahla lapho uthatha isinefu uthatha impepho yakuthatha ikhandlela lemhlophe besiyaphahla but mina futhi ngabonisa ukuthi le cold drink ebomvu lesibabheri uyayithatha ukuthi uyithele lapha phezulu kwesiduli ungaziphuli isiduli unokuphahla kumacatha ugucuka kodwa ubheke empumalanga bese uyacela lapho uzobona into zakho zokukhanyela the importance esiduli uNkulunkulu akazenzanga nje kuphela ukuhlobisa uzenze with a purpose so abantu abadala mandulo basebenzisa iduli vele when it comes endabeni ezokuphahla if abanye abantu babhilivele endabeni ukuthi kumele uphahle lapho bathi emabhacane ezindlela lapho kuhlangana imidlela ezithi footpath then if you don't get such a place ngoba manje sokunamamolo kunayo yonke into all these open spaces ukwakhiwe thola isiduli nje kuphela the very same process bozoyenza lapha la crosser khona imidlela la kuhamba khona ngeenyawo ungasebenzisa nesiduli in that case.
Okay Dr. manje ke ngifuna ukuthi sikhulumeke manje ngobuhle I think ubuhle babo subuchazile ububi ke manje ubuhle ubuchazela ngithi ufike wasichaza isidula ngithi wachaza ubuhle because manje bewuchaza ubuhle baso ukuthi it's something that's God created and then ububi ke manje Dr. because I believe ukuthi yonke into nobuhle nobubi asize kububi
I think isiduli sona simele sinjalo asinabubi kodwa ububi benza umuntu
yes Dr.
so ubuntu bunganzwa kanjani masithi mhlambe omunye umuntu aware ukuthi mhlambe ngiphahla lapha no mhlambe indawo yami ngiphahlela khona uyakhona ukuthi lokho ngikucela bese siyaguqula against mina or athathe whatever ngoba iduli futhi ngisisikhathi sesisebenzisa abantu basivala into esifana nama-case umuntu banama-cases besiyamvala lapho mhlawumbe umuntu masemthula simthula ipoki noma mhlawumbe imimoya emibi ehamba naye phezu kwakhe siyithulela khona lapho uyakhona ukuthatha the very same nsila le yakho maceda lapho ayisebenzisa especially emakhaya mabazi ukuthi lo muntu lo njalo uyahamba lapha uyophahlela khona ngapha mhlawumbe thina etown kuba ngcono ukuthi siyaphuma ngemoto sambe abasilandeli babona ukuthi kwenzakalani inyanga noma ngabona ukuthi mhlawumbe lapho baphahla benzana yazi ukuthi besiphahlelana but abanye abantu mhlawumbe umuntu wasemakhaya yazi ukuthi umuntu njalo uyaphahlela lapha mafuna ukwenza kabi yakhona ukuthi athathe lenhlabathi leyani maceda ayigucule whatever that you asking maceda lapha ayiphendule ukuthi ibe against wena so isiduli sona sisodwa sinabubi ububi buza nomuntu ogucula lento lezo ezinhle bosicela senze sibezimba against wena
asiphephile yazi
enjalo kuthakathi kuningi
asiphephile because lento ishoyo I love it when you said ububi isiduli asikho sibi kodwa ububi
ifana nemithi imithi kahle kahle ayisimibi imithi ngicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu anyeka izinto embi but thina ngoba singabantu siyakhona ukuthi siyiguqule ngoba umuthi omuhle yakhona ukuthi uguqule maqeda usebenzisana umuthi omuhle ukuthi mhlawumbe umuhle ukuthi mhlawumbe uphephethe ukuthi uphephethe into zakho abantu abakwenza kabi kodwa umuntu akhona khona ukuthi ayiguqule ukuthi ayisebenzise ngendlela ezwakhe against so why imithi yona self imithi angicabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyenze ukuthi ibe against thina abantu nenhliziyo zethu imimoya yethu ithi abaguqula le mithi besiba mibi hence on going back kule the question that you asked me yendabeni yemithi ukuthi do I blame those people you understand so mhlambe ukuthi if they can do the thorough research endabeni yemithi ukuthi kanjani bangathi zonke inyanga mhlambe ngathi mhlambe siyenza kabi cha imithi yokuphilisa ingako namhlanje sinenyanga we've got witch doctors we've got traditional doctors so into ezithu zingafani lezo
izinto ezibili ezingafani dokotela kodwa dokotela kumele siphinde futhi sikhulume into eyenzakalayo emhlabeni sakhile ngoba dokotela manje izinto esizibonayo azijabulisi
beqiniso
ungajabulisi kwazo zipenda wonke umuntu ngopendo olwani ningabalaphi besintu kunabalaphi besintu abenza izinto ezimbi lapha and okubuhlungu bazenza in a public space television
inzima
asingalahlekisani or sithini bazenza on public domain you are coming here uzothi umuthi this and this and this which I understand what you're saying and I believe the Manchis they understand what you're saying and we are teaching now because some of us but now when you are explaining ukuthi umuthi and I mean I believe it because umuthi angithi it's nature ni entabeni niyogubha it's like the plants behind you then there are people like okay anyway okay dokotela thank you so much dokotela isigubhu
bakhosi
isigubhu dokotela igubhu siyazibona hayi bathi igubhu sibona ngisho emathuneni benza izinto ngazo ngoba hayi siyabona kulo hey dokotela ngizocela ukuthi ungichazele kahle kahle ukuthi isigubhu siyini isigubhu ngabe kuhle ukuthi ube naso the advantages and disadvantages
bakhosi
kahle uzoqala ngokuchaza ukuthi isigubhu kahle kahle siyini then usuzochaza ukuthi ubuhle besigubhu ububi besigubhu khuluma nje Manchis
indaba yegubhu ne
hayi igubhu dokotela
indaba yesigubhu another synonym yesigubhu inyongobane isigubhu we are talking about a butternut the shell ye butternut yisigubhu and then kunezinye ofresh mina ngaboniswa engisenzayo manje ishell an ostrich egg an ostrich egg
okay
ostrich egg isebenza ngendlela eziningi kodwa I think ngizochaza isigubhu ucala ukuthi yini
then uzoyichaza because leyo ayibonisa wona because I'm so interested now
yes and then kuyisigubhu masikhuluma ngesigubhu sikhuluma ngale the outer part ye butternut iyawomiswa iyaphekwa mayiceda lapho bese kufaka imithithizeni ngaphakathi sifisa ukuthi mele iphendula according to what we asking masithi umuntu uyafika kimi uthi uqala ngicela isigubhu semali makathi isigubhu semali kumele ngimhlanganisele lento lezi ngizaziyo ilwane ethizeni emele ngisifake laphana esizidrayiwe zaphendulwa zenzwe imithi kunemithi ethizeni amakhubalo kumele bese ngiyawafaka laphana bese ngiyafaka nemithi efana nabovuka sengivusa zonke lelwane lezi ukuthi zenze lento engiyicelayo ngaphezulu kwaleso sigubhu kodwa umuntu always advise ukuthi abantu before bazothatha igubhu kumele baqale kuphi baqale laphana emsamo bayocela bayobuza if unedlozi eliphilayo mhlawumbe idlozi eliresponda amasisha zokutshela ukuthi isigubhu lasifuna noma cha ngoba igubhu asifani kuneyigubhu ezinhle kuneyigubhu ezimbi sazokuchazela masicale ngesigubhu lesi isigubhu esihle sikhuluma ngesigubhu esikalimazi umuntu sikhuluma ngesigubhu esiphakamisa umsebenzi njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngithwala isikodwa ngiphakamisa umsebenzi ngakutshela ukuthi 90% of the people engibanzele into zabo siyakhanya abantu abanama-truck kunabantu abanamabhizinisi all the way ngiyazi abantu abaningi mina ngise-Gauteng abantu abaningi bayahamba baye KZN bafuna lezo igubhu kodwa mina elami idlozi landa base-KZN bazekhaya bazocela igubhu ezempilo igubhu zokuphakamisa imisebenzi khuluma ngeenyanga inyanga kwazi ukuthi beyithwasisa inyanga beyilapha imisebenzi wayo kodwa sovaliwe kodwa manje bese senzani semenzela isigubhu sokuthi manje makafika lapha nekhaya makasikhulumisa makacela makafutha nakalamafutha ngaphakathi kwayo makageza makacela ijariti bese into zakhe bese ziyacala ziyaphakama ngoba lapho labakhubalo siwafakile nalelwane sisifakile into ezinhle esikaNkuluNkulu esicela ngazo emadlozini nemithi yamadlozi siyacela ukuthi kuvuleke lapho kuvale khona ngoba it's more like we are elevating manje insebenzo and manje kunenye into kumele babe aware ngayo ukuthi it's very much important ucela idlozini lakho ukuthi idlozi lakho lingathi ulihambela phambili ngoba amanye amadlozi immediately mawuletha isigubhu ekhaya bavala umsebenzi babuyele emuva ngoba bathi shutela sikathembele kule igubhu zakhe ithi simshiyele igubhu zakhe bese kuyavaleka so it's very much important ukuthi umuntu before menze lento leyo kunamasiko thizeni esiwayenzayo thina sabe ngokuthatha kusemfuleni yokugeza amaceda bese siyaphakamisa maceda ukuphakamisa bese siyacela siyaphahla siyacela kwimimoya yasemanzini ukuthi ukuthi lesigubhu sesiyaphakama ukuthi mafike ekhaya ngiyabatshela ukuthi isiko mawungena egate ukuthi wenzani ushona straight endombeni yakho noma mhlambe lapho la uphahlela khona mifa usiyinyanga bese uyaphahla yabacela ukuthi abantu abadala ngicela ukuthi nesamukele sengibuye naso lesigubhu bengisicela so indlela enhle yakhona isigubhu lesikuthi ilethela abantu imali isigubhu sikhona ukuthi sivule insebenzo ngoba basically everything asicela ukuthi endabeni emali abantu afuna igubhu ayikho umuntu ozothi ufuna isigubhu ukuthi ucela enye into ngaphandle isimo semali ngoba mawucela ukuthi uya elevating your business ya elevating insebenzo yakho umlaphini wendabuko anything that you asking is for imali sifuna insimbi yabelungu so when it comes endabeni embi yesigubhu kunezigubhu ezimbi mkhulu igubhu ezimbi igubhu lapho sikhona ukuthi sesiphakamisa abantu abasemathuneni siyakhona ukuthi ngeyigubhu khona ukuthi uthathe imimoya yabantu lapha lefana nesithwalo njengoba ngisho the process okuthwalisa ngiyazi mkhulu kodwa mina nginasikwama esimnyama kodwa I know the processes zakhona ukuthi ihamba kanjani lapho uthatha imimoya uphakamisa imimoya maceda uyagubha ethuneni bese ufaka leso sigubhu lapho maceda after certain period bese uyasilanda ngoba kumele lo muntu lomkhayisile ngebala emhlophe kunenyama thizeni kumele ifake lapha legubhu uthathe lenhlabathi yonke siyafaka uphakamise lo muntu lokuthi azokusebenzela ekhaya
kunenyama kumele uyifake
kunenyama enye siyafaka nemithi igubhele after a few days angichuza ukuthi nalento uthwala uyayithatha uyafaka lapha uphakamisana lo moya lo muntu lana yamvusa kunemithi uvusa umuntu emathuneni baceda lapho lo muntu azokusebenzela ekhaya ufaka lo moya wakhe phakathi kwesigubhu ukuthi uzokusebenzela ekhaya
I heard from the manches
so manje iproblem yaloko ubomnyama bakhona ukuthi mawulanda lo muntu lo into ecala uzazi nethakazelo zakhe lo muntu lo yamazi ukuthi uchamuka kuphi esikhathini esiningi thina sikaba labalaphi bendabuko we always encourage people ukuthi bathathe le bakhetha amathuna angasanako ama-families wabo especially kwabelungu masithi yamthatha uFan Vuuren lapho yamfaka Van Vuuren naloyo bekayenza mhlambe abelungu manje ayikuthi mhlambe lamkhulu ngithi mhlambe nyanyatsa or mhlambe nyajaja mina bangiphahla bayazi nabantwana abambedlozi nabafowethu I always say ngithi nabendlebe ikhanyelanga
abelungu labo
abendlebe ikhanyelanga ngoba namhlanje sebayathwasa masithi mhlawumbe umuntu acedile ukugida athi mina sengihlehlele emalwandle ngisho ngithi nabendlebe ikhanyelanga nibabulise nithi hello nakubo ngoba sazi ukuthi imimoya mhlambe nabe sebathathile kumele bathwase. So masithi mhlambe lomlungu naye uyayenza imikhuba thizeni uyaphahla and then bamtshengisa imela phahla kanjalo wena uyamthatha umfaka esigubhini. Makafika lapha ekhaya lakho sekuyaxaka. Lo mlungu lona manje mjwayeza umphusi igazi lenkukhu. Basuke enkukhuni sefuna imbuzi, basuke embuzi sefuna inkomo, bayicada lapha yaphi siya emndenini. Uma ngalo ukuthi unemali wena uthathile le mimoya lomuntu ngoba isithwalo yiso leso. Base sikhuluma ngesithwalo. Igubhu abantu bele bazi ukuthi there's a difference between ukuphakamisa umsebenzi nokuthwala. Immediately umuntu wakuthatha wathatha igubhu zakho kwazisa lapha nemthwebe emathuneni. Wafaka whatever wacela waphakamisa labantu bele ukwazi usekakuthwalisa. But immediately umuntu makuthatha kusemfuleni akucelisa lapho khona uphakamisa umsebenzi. So abantu they've got a misunderstanding when it comes to indaba negubhu ukuthi isithwalo yini nokuphakamisa umsebenzi yini. So baba immediately bababona inyongo abantu noma babona isigubhu sibacabanga ukuthi uthwele akuthi asisithwalo lento le isithwalo immediately makuvuswa umuntu of which those are the disadvantages zokuba neigubhu zokuthi uphakamisa imimoya simathuneni bese uthatha le dlozi lo mphefumulo ulethe ekhaya so uthwele ngoba manje masokhulumana lesigubhu lesi sokhuluma nalo fan funeral weyana ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungenzele 1 2 3 4 ulandela uzosebenza kube kuhle but at the end of the day kuzoshayisana izophela umndeni wakho futhi uzosala unemali but abantu kumele basebenzile bafile bonke bayiceda besilandile ngawo besiyavala mos
yo
injalo
I'm speechless.
makhosi.
I hope nimzwile uDr Letsatsi ukhulumile okuningi and of course sihlale sifundisa la manje and thoughts. Ngihlale ngisho ngithi onezindlebe makezwe ongenazindlebe there's nothing Chef Mbatha can do. Dr. As we proceed. Thank you.
Makhosi.
I know it's one of the manches said ngiyakuthanda ukuthi thank you now and then. I would always say that. My manches they talk too much guys but I love them. Dr. Ngifuna ukwazi la, ne? Anyway, you spoke about inyama enye mathuneni. One of the manches said I should ask this question. If you are comfortable to answer, you will answer. If you are not, please don't. Yebo. Igubhu emathuneni. Nesibindi. Neyintuthwane. What's your thoughts? It's not me.
So for
manches.
So for abantu bayenzele igubhu kusasa acela besenza.
No, it's the manches. They asked me, can you please ask? It's a ritual that's happening in emathuneni kahle kahle.
Enjalo namkhulu okay ngoba the manches want to know njengoba futhi this channel efundisa abantu. Kodwa ngithanda le sport le seriously but don't try this at home. Cela ukuthi ungazenzeli. Bathatha isibindi vele.
Iyona nyama vele.
Ithatha yona nyama.
Okay, dokotela ngitshela.
Kodwa kunemithi thizeni enyaka ngiyikhulume efakwa isibindi ngoba sibona masisha. Sibola masisha after 7 or 14 days usithola ukuthi sesinentuthwane sithatha kona lokho bese sokufaka esigubhini bese sokufaka abavuka bakho uhlanganise nokunye thizeni bese maceda lapho ke bese uthenga lo muntu leyo ngemali ukhulume into ezithizeni maceda bese siyaphakamisa noma ufaka ekhaya there is a ritual kumele uyenze from egate and kumele wazi ukuthi lo muntu loyo kumele kube ne period ethizeni ukuthi kumele ukuthi lo muntu loyo ukhona ukuthi lo uyamphakamisa isimola kuyavuselela. And then ezinye igubhu when it comes to that when it comes indaba ezifana neyithwalo but was there's a contract kune contract enye contract ukuthi mhlambe akutshela ukuthi every year kumele uhlabe inkomo isiko lithizeni is
but anyway
yeah if it's a male enye futhi kunenye futhi thothi yakutshela ukuthi from now on uzophila 15 years after 15 years bese uyashona. Abanye abantu they think ukuthi that thing doesn't happen, it does happen. Umuntu athi I think ithathele imali ayikho lento le and immediately after 15 years ushona uzohamba uzoshiya lesigubhu leso ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So endabeni intuthwane endabeni izibindi vele kuyasebenza lapho mazokhona ukuthi uthathe uphakamise lo mphefumulo loyo uzabe uthengile uzabe ucelile ngoba uyamkhulumisa lo muntu umtshela ukuthi abakini bakunaki nanethuna lakho zelifile mina ngumkhulu Letsatsi mina zokuphakamisa zokunakekela ngicela ukuthi sihambise ekhaya bese uyokusebenzela.
Manje, I hope you've got your answer because this question beyibuzwe omunye wama-manches isibindi nentuthwane nesigubhu. Isibindi sibola masishane. Yeah. Dr. Letsatsi, thank you so much. Doctor, I want to ask another question. It's from the Manchi as well. The effects, like abazali, makuguthi bayaxabana and khona o pregnant lapho. Impumela ebasemntwaneni uma isezalwa. Like makuthi mina nawe sishadile and then it happened that mina sengipregnant but sihlale sixabana and kunomntwana la eswini. Ima-affect kanjani umntwana? Le inkulumo, like inkulumo ezimbi, it can be a family member or anybody. How can it affect a child, the unborn child, mayisezalwa?
Singakhohlwa ukuthi ababhilivela kuBhayibheli, they always say, or there's a verse that says, abantwana bayisibusiso esibuya kuNkulunkulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi in a relationship, immediately omunye maba pregnant and we start fighting, I think ngicale ngibuyele emuva one step back, whereby ngithi most of the relationships namhlanje immediately kwaba nomntwana phakathi bayahlukana phakathi. I can mention a lot of relationships whereby umntana kumele kube bond, but uthola ukuthi umntana immediately makaba khona or mhlambe noma akakazalwa but immediately bama khona baba pregnant bangathi sichitho thothi bamaceda bese bayahlukana. Most of relationships uthola njalo. Uthola bakhotla lapha abantu bayile lapha kumali bakhotla nana not angiyazi bazibiza ukuthi yabona bafolile uzoba nobakhuluma ukuthi hey maintenance court. I wanted to say that. Yabona into sifana leso. Mode yabuza umuntu ukuthi hayi ubaba akasasupport, why ngasasupport isaqala ukuhlukana immediately mangithi pregnant. So the problem lana iba ile ndaba yokuthi umntana ma-affecta kanjani, go back to your question. Umntwana uqala ubonda nomama wakhe ngaphakathi. Makabonda nobaba ngaphakathi, wena ubaba seniyaqala niyaxabana nomama. So whatever umama le ayifeelayo basesenyama yinye abasesenjalo. Everything lenzakalayo kumama iyam-affect umntwana. So ingako esikhathi lesidingo umama mhlambe makaloka kwata mhlambe uyahetheka wenzani nzani bese sithola abantwana abanye thuthi mhlambe bathi baphuma bakhathele noma mhlambe umntana ibaba ama Down syndromes abanye thuthi mhlambe abantwana baba lakhubazekile. So there's a lot of things that are happening. Yabona thuthi omunye mathula umntwana vele sekashonile. So lento lo yama affect umntwana kakhulu. It's very much important ukuthi umama maka pregnant utribe siyazi ukuthi kasoturere endwakhe amalapha ohle. Akunala ngaliwa khona. But people, it's very much important ukuthi kumele ba try by all means ukuthi bahlale bajabulile. Siyazi ukuthi abomama banalento ba develop the symptoms or whatever they call it to baba moody and so ama mood swings symptoms fana nalezo. So thina sikabantu besilisa we have to understand. Say try ukuthi some of the things we compromise ukuthi doesn't bakudlule lesimo lesi. Noma ubona ukuthi lo muntu lona ukuthi kahle kahle ayikho lento angitshela yona. Ungaforce ukuthi enzeni lo ngoba lento ilimaza umntana ngaphakathi. Elimazeni nomntana ngaphakathi kanjalo elimaza nasedlozini. Why ngisho kanjalo ukuthi lo mntwana lona nazi ukuthi siphiwe umuntu omdala sibabantu abadala amadlozi siphiwe siwaphiwe uNkulunkulu. So bazothukana lo mama mhlambe ngokukhipha nenhlambe ezingasi right mhlambe uthukana kana pregnancy uyaqala uyawara nedlozi nalo liyathukuthela lethini manje ngibaphe isibusiso kodwa manceda bangithuka ngaso leso sibusiso leso yabona. So immediately mawuthuka umama pregnant or abanye bayakhahlela ukuthi there's so many things that are happening. So we need to refrain from that iskabantu besilisa especially ukuthi sicela ukuthi masizame ukuthi sithobe no matter siyazi ukuthi it's very much difficult ukuthi uzubona uthobela lento engekho but because of the situation akamama ngoba nakazenza upregnant kanje yima ngisho. So kumele ukuthi ngizame ukuthi those mood swings whatever behavior nayo ngizame ukuthi ngisedlulise le mntana masika khona then we resolve other matters because otherwise vele most definitely negatively izoba affect umntwana.
As I always say, this show is not for us. It's for you people and for all of us. You've asked me a question, you answered.
Of course.
Dr. Ungumlaphi wesintu, well known. You've been in the industry for how many years?
Since 2007.
I don't know how to count.
17 years now.
Yes. 17 years. Dokotela, ngiyacabanga ukuthi zomlaphi wesintu kuba nezikhathi lapho endombeni yakho or la usebenzela khona uthola iguli mhlambe nje ngizokwenza example ngokuthi mhlambe ngumuntu wesilisa, the sperm maybe I can't produce enough sperms to hit the right egg. Yeah, that's one. And then number two, uthola ukuthi nginamathumba, it can be a woman or mina, nginamathumba angalapheki. You understand? Or umuntu wesifazane o menstruator mara akaqedi. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena njengomlaphi wesintu uma ufesa lezo zimo ezinjalo wenze njani? And ngifuna futhi ukuthi ungichazele ukubaluleka ukusebenzisana kwabalaphi besintu nalabalaphi besilungu phecelezi medical doctors.
Ngicale kule chef ekhulumile yabo baba ukuthi mhlawumbe ya sperm count ne low or mhlawumbe I don't know the medical way bayibiza ukuthi but the way that comes to my mind is sperm count. Ukuthi mhlawumbe bayazama kuhlangana. Ngesisikhathi wena mkhulu ngathola ukuthi ubaba kanankinga umama kanankinga. Ukuthi ngesisikhathi amadlozweni awacumana. Amadlozweni vele afuna ukunikeza umntwana. Ukuthi mhlawumbe bayavalile. Mabathi bayachecka ngiyakubodokotela labesilungu bathi akunasibone any problem. Or mhlambe umama naye bathi akunankinga bayibonayo. Ngesisikhathi ukuthi mhlambe labenza lamadlozi ukuthi amadlozi lawahlangane awafuni ukuthi mhlambe kuzokube lembewu lezi cene bomntwana. Or ngesisikhathi thola ukuthi mhlambe ubaba unenkinga. Kunembiza thizeni nezinsizisi esibayenzela zona ukhona ukuthi izikhona ukuthi zivule imithambo khona ukuthi umntana besiya khona umntahlaliseke kahle. Those sperms ihlaliseke kahle kumama bese kuba nomntwana. Nomama same applies kunembiza ezithizeni esibanikeza zona bese nezinye izinto ebasiqhumayo babasivala ngaso bese siyabashisela. Ngoba ngesisikhathi uthola ukuthi umuntu akatholi bantwana into enziwe ngabomo bamfasile. Yingakho uthola ukuthi abanye abantu uthola babenzela intambo. Abanye abantu they cannot believe such but believe you me siyasebenza. Ngayibona kuyintambo kodwa uyadepend ukuthi uyicelise kanjani ikhulekele kanjani. Ukuthi uthola umuntu ucela ukuthi lesibele usikhona ukuthi lesiyakhecha. Noma sesikhechile ukuthi umntwana angayenzini umntwana angaphunyuki. Ngoba kuyenzeka uthola umuntu upregnant maqeda bese isisu siyaphuma. Uthola mhlambe besides indaba zesilungu uthola umuntu uphephethwayo uboshiwe ukuthi umntwana angabi khona noma ngaba khona bese umama besiya miscarriage into esifana naleso. So siyakhona sibasize thina sikabalaphi bendabuko ngoba kunembiza esisebenziswayo kunemithi emele bayiraphe ukuzisu zabo kunemithi bayicumayo kunensisi basikhothayo khona ukuthi bese umntana bakhona kodwa ngesisikhathi always ukuthi kumele babuye ba-check if mhlambe ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi mhlambe nasedlozini khona la kukhaleleka khona.
So if mina ngizodla nje before ngizobona a medical doctor ngizothi yazi produce you as inyanga umlaphi wesintu awuthi kimi ngiqale lapha ya qala
esilungwini
yeah or you just take over.
Mina ngithi chef mina ngo Dr. Letsatsi ngiyabathumela abantu ukuthi ba-check nasesilungwini sizwe bathini ngesisikhathi ukuthi mhlambe belungu mabathi ba-check abathi akunankinga.
Okay.
Or they don't see any problem lapho ukuthi basho ukuthi lo muntu unayo inzalo lo. So kulamele sicala bese siya-check-a nathi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Sizoyithola lapho i-problem bese sithole ne-solution yakhona ukuthi kuba yini. Nabo abantu engaziyo ukuthi bafika lapha endumbeni bangathola abantwana kodwa namhlanje banabo abantwana. Sibanikeza izihlambezo mase ba-pregnant umntana aphume a-healthy a-right kodwa bamtshela ukuthi anyeke babe nabantwana. Mina nginomuntu namkhulu I can remember kunosisi omunye wafika laphana kebe siyenza into zethu ukuthi ubaba ngaphunyuki ngoba ubaba kuyixoxo alo kajampa lena multiple partners kodwa sakhona ukuthi simbambe yathi masimbamba ngoba besahle isikhathi eside nalo sisisathi mina angisaboni ukuthi kahle ithini indaba nobaba sambamba nobaba banomntwana namhlanje uzowamshada sebazi manje uexpect umntwana obisithupha
Oh, siyabonga.
yabona into esifana lesi and all along nabo doctor bebathi ababone anything wrong kodwa samphahlisa samsebenzi samnikeza imbiza wathola umntwana wazowamshada baka pregnant sebazi they expecting the skin child manje
Siyabonga.
and naye lo baba nyenge imblame ukujumpa wafika wajumpela kwindaweni wrong wasetshenzwa lo mfazi wathi nami ngiyambamba kanti bambamba kanjalo ukuthi balala lo mfazi wakhe kodwa umfazi wakhe akatholi bantwana.
Oh, Nkosi yami. Dokotela, so now ngicela ukuthi uchazele ababukeli nami futhi ngoShef Mbanza ukuthi ukubaluleka ukuthi sisebenzisane nabalaphi besilungu, medical doctors, nabalaphi besintu, traditional doctors.
It's very much important ukuthi sisebenzisane na-medical doctors because kunezinye izinto thina singabalaphi bendabuko esingakhona ukuzilapha kunezinye izinto engeke sikhona ukuzilapha and leyo it's a given kumele singayibaleki ngoba the some of the things the procedures engeke sikhona ukuzenza masithi mhlambe umuntu masithi for argument's sake njengoba sikhuluma ngendaba yomntwana umuntu unama-fibroids thina singababalaphi bendabuko ngicabanga ukuthi sizokunikeza into zokukhotha sizokunikeza imbiza but ithoti mhlambe they only subside the pain nje kuphela but ayisolve so na kanjani operation thina siyenze it's very much important ukuthi abalaphi bendabuko bayenzeni bathumela umuntu to the medical doctors bayenza whatever procedure ethina engeke sikhona ukuthi siyenze ngoba akusizi ukuthi uthi umuntu angayi ukuthi le medical doctors wazi ukuthi thina we cannot do it the some of the things thina sikhona ukuthi sizilaphe kunezinye izinto ezingakhona abalaphi besilungu nabesilungu same applies kunezinye izinto abangakhona ukuzilapha thina sizilaphayo masithi umuntu khona manje uyahlanya you understand uyahlanya suddenly umuntu bekaphila njengami nje umkhulu Tsatsi umuntu bamphephetile noma bamencisile washa wahlanya bafika lapha esibhedlela bakhona ukuthola ukuthi kwenzakalani bamise lapha le ibhedlela zamahlanya konke akalungi manje bafika kimi singiyamshunqisela bese ngiyamkhothisa ngimgeze ngemithithizeni bese umuntu akhona uba right so mina ngiyajabula ngoba kunabanye the nurses the private nurses bathumela abantu lapha ekhaya bayasho ukuthi nawe umuntu ucela ukuthi usilaphele yona ngoba thina sibone lutho nabo abantwana bami especially even the initiates kunezinye izinto bangibona ukuthi lana ngathi ngiyikhona ake uyeqala uyochecka lapha nesibhedlela eclinic ukuthi kwenzakalani so kulapho besisokhona ukuthi kube right that's why THO the Traditional Healers Organization kune certificate ezithu esokuqala primary healthcare kunese-ALS sobisithu sesama promoters ne lapho ungakhona ukuthi manje usebenze nezigulane zakho esibhedlela so if you get the right superintendent umnikazi wesibhedlela ophethe isibhedlela that time ukuthi usebenze abantu bakho abagulayo bayakunikeza imvumo ukuthi bakunespace yakho ukuthi usebenze abantu so manje sokuthi manje le ibhedlela kuya ngokuthi isiphethe umuntu onjani abanye bakuvumela uyimlaphi nje wendabuko uhambe ulapha igulane zakho lapho if you are licensed to do so.
Wow. I think one day we need to talk about the THO, right?
Yeah, traditional.
One day.
But there's many organizations, but mina zokhuluma ngale affiliated kuyo.
No, one day we're definitely going to talk about it. I can't wait. Dokotela, Manj, I want to understand. I want to ask you a question. Do you believe in bring back your lost lover?
Yes. Ulahlekelwe yini?
No. Do I have one? No. Do I want one? I don't know. Doctor, no, I want to understand. It's just a general question out of what we are talking about.
Yes.
Do you believe on that?
Yeah.
You know why I'm asking? Because definitely Chef Matha is going to bring a topic like the panel about that.
Yes.
Do you believe on that thing? We always see that. I remember when I was a student, going to school, wherever I was staying, and then I'll see the walls, trees, bring back your lost lovers. This is the number you must call. Does it exist?
It does, but it doesn't. It's not always successful to most of the people.
Tell me more.
It also depends ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu uthaka kanjani.
Okay.
Ngiyangibona ukuthi most of the people mangibona yabona ukuthi khuluma ngayo eplakiwe la manje.
Uyayibona everywhere.
Ngiyabheka mara abantu ababuya ngaphandle. Manje ngiyabheka. Bona amagama stacks ngiyangithi these are not South Africans. Okay, I'm not saying ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu bangaphandle ukuthi abalaphi. Kodwa ngiyizibuza ukuthi kanjani ngathi baba specialize ngalena. Okay, going back kule mbuzo wakho naye chef ne. Uzobamba amathuna futhi.
Not a problem. Well,
Amathuba.
anyway, I was coming there before. I think let me just summarize everything.
Yeah.
I wanted you to go to Glamathuna Lawalahliwe and Anganabantu, like the favor that one can get from those graves, like the positive and the negative one.
negatives, yeah.
So I think you can summarize everything. Because I'm very interested to bring back your lost lover, darling.
It does work, chef. Ne?
Yeah.
Amathuna ngiyawathanda kakhulu. Amathuna into enhle engicabanga ukuthi abantu bakithi bemele bayiphumulele. Siya lapana nje siyoklina nje sibabekela amablomu singakhuleki siphahle nje sibakutshela ukuthi lapha imimoya yakho ilele khona nihlale nazo ukuthi nisanithanda.
Rabathi akunabantu abathuleni to story for another day. Proceed.
Kulapho kumele sazi khona neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi kulapho kumele bese sibeke ilitshe ukuthi the next generations kumele zazi ukuthi ukhokho omkhulu bethu balele lapho ne bring back your lost lover mina mkhulu ngiyasebenzisa ithuna.
Bring back your lost lover. Ngethuna.
Ngethuna
Kanjani?
lo muntu loyana masithi mhlawumbe kulahle ngendlela engasikahle ngibheka le situation ukuthi kulahle ngendlela enjani ne siyakhona ukuthi siyaphakamisa le moya lana bese siyahamba lapana sisho ukuthi siyacela wena sibani bani akusho mina akusho lo muntu loyana ngiyamtshela ukuthi enzeni mina ngiyena indawo ngiyamtshela ukuthi enzeni kodwa ngikhona kodwa enza into ethize wahambe emathuneni uthatha isithombe sakho ubhale into oyifunayo group wenze sofake lo muthi umkhulu bese umcela ukuthi amhlukumeza amtshela ukuthi abuye kuwe
Akusikho ukuthakatha lokho.
Thakatha atsho sithi vele singinyanga singabathakatha.
Oh, okay.
Basho njalo bathi thakatha vele sithi our middle name.
When team when
Singabathakatha.
proceed.
Amen. Going back indaba bring back your lost lover. Futhi kunemithi ephephetwayo wena mkhulu, ne? Siyaphephetha amaZulu andle asebenza kakhulu, uchabango umuntu yasebenza kakhulu. Lapho wenza khona isiphephetho besiyamkhulumisa ngesikhathi ethizeni umuntu bakalele noma mhlawumbe akalelanga as long as you be consistent ngeenkathi zasebusuku nasemini ukuthi uphephetha kanjani ubusa kanjani ubande isithombe sakhe besiyambiza lo muntu loyo noma ugeza noma ufutha suneze beke imama into zakhe amagama wakhe yambiza impahla zakhe ezingcolile futhi masikhona number 1 show number 1 kena lapho kuba kuyashesha ngoba sithatha insila yakhe simbiza ngayo.
Ayike. Bring back your lost lover, Chef Mbat.
Masekabuyile umuntu wakhona bese siyambopha siyamhlalisa thula nto but asemaramethe tseke angicabanga ukuthi kunomuntu ofuna ukuba ne relationship umuntu oyisidididi kasonto bareke tseke siyambopha nje ahlaliseke ngoba right wasekhayeni nomama ifumama owawuhlala yena ahlala endlini akanandaba nabantwana bephansi phezulu uyaboshwa uyahlala phansi bawumama nje ube right nje simbophe nje kuhlaliseke khona uYesu kunikezayo ukuthi ukuthungathungela lapha emcamelweni olwise kalale ngaphansi ulala endlini.
So, Dr. ngitshela lana ke lento le yalo muntu lona osube umbringe back ekhaya.
Amen.
Ayidinga uvuselana now and then or you do it once.
Angitsho makasekabuyile wena mkhulu siyambopha kuyahlala phansi. Asimbuyisi nje kuphela besihla base simbophila kusana lazo yakhona mkhulu yingani abomkhulu bethu bakhona ukuthi basuke elisotho bayosebenza eGauteng ashiya umfazi lekhaya ngabe nomuntu omthintayo kunabantu eziningi abantu abadala bebangasitsheli zona kodwa thina wasingabalaphi bendabuko ngoba we always research siyalandelela we only find ukuthi abantu abadala kunento kuneziningi bangasitsheli zona bebazenza bebababopha abogogo bethu abogogo nabo babopha abomkhulu bethu uyambopha umfazi ndoda kodwa ngisho ukuthi umbophe ukuthi bese udlala umntana abantu ngibophe ukuthi uyasho ngaye ukuthi nyeke umntana abantu bese udlala ngayo ngokuhlungu ukuthi ubophe umuntu mawuceda bese wena uhlaliseke phansi phezulu umntana abantu ngoba sithatha insila yakho phansi kweenyawo sithatha insila yakho elimi sithatha insila yakho yamadlebe sithatha igazi lakho enhliziyweni lakho siyahlanganisa into magic.
But why can't we let things happen naturally so as I proceed? Asiye emathuneni. See emathuneni. We need to close the show. They are counting me already. Emathuneni. La mathuna lawa lahliwe abantu bayasebenzisa dokotela. Yazi good the nice thing. Lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo siyazibona even zenza kuma social media, television. So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uma ngizoswanya ngiyosebenzisa ithuna elilahliwe engalazi nokulazi bewuchaze iqana ukuthi kunezithakazelo. Uma uzohamba uyothatha ithuna ongalazi uzokwazi kanjani ithakazelo. So mhlambe uma ungaya lapho ukhulume the negativity, the positivity of using that, of doing such thing.
Endabeni yamathuna wena mkhulu ne it's very saddening ukuthi abantu umzali wakho the time asaphila umzali wakho bekakunakekela kusasa masika shonile ngicela ungizwisise kahle I'm not judging ne masika shonile abanye abantu bese bathi ungasaya emathuneni we only acknowledge amadlozi we don't worship them hence ngizosho ukuthi umuntu ngiyacela tswetswe batswana bajujwalo bafika emathuneni ungakhuleki khuleko emathuneni mayobona abantu abadala lesi bamkhulekela abafundisi bamblessa wayehla bafika emathuneni uyaphahla awukhuleki immediately mawukhuleka kufanele ukuthi manje worship in that person awukhuleki uyaphahla nje kuphela so enye into the sad part yamathuna ukuthi if anwanakekeli abalaphi bendabuko noma abanye mhlambe abathakathi abanye bazowasebenzisa amathuna wenu we always capitalize indabeni zamathuna amathuna alahliwe amathuna anganakekeli kodwa ithuna masibona ukuthi lanakekela but they come now and then asiwasebenzisa lamathuna lawo we always bazongixolela abalaphi bendabuko yabazothi nasi bakhipha i-secret yethu but it's not a secret but it's an advice I give to the people ukuthi mhlamba walahle because inkolo bathi ningasayi lapana since bagcina the time makhulu angcwatshwa bese siyamsebenzisa nithi umakhululele umphefumulo wakho kanti usekasetshenziswa somewhere ingakho besinto zenu besinithi niyacela nithi nenzani yaphahla emsamo nihlabela abaphansi into zenu zingahlangani ukhohle ukuthi la beka khona umzimba wenu bawumsebenzisa so the negativities yaloko yilokuthi thina sikaba lapha bendabuko noma mhlamba abathakathi amathuna siyabasebenzisa
Dokotela, thank you so much.
Of course.
I can feel ukuthi lena ayikapheli because I still have questions but I was called in a court of law. That's how you waste time. Even the munchies, they told me. But anyway, Dokotela, before you can give your word of wisdom to my munchies, this is my book called On My Own by Uphathanani Bata. I am an author before the show. I am a munchie before a book. What I want to say to you, thank you so much for supporting me, for buying this book. Like the messages I'm getting from you guys, telling me how this book is helping you. Thank you. The book is Transit Trend. For now, you can email me, DM me, send me a WhatsApp. My number is all over, guys. Yeah. And we deliver across South Africa. Dokotela, your word of wisdom to the munchies before we just say goodbye.
Emakhosini, the munchies, the followers is Chef Phathanani, the followers is Dr. Letsatsi. Ngithanda ukuthi singabalaphi bendabuko ngiyacela ukuthi masisebenzeni abantu ngokweqiniso. Abantu basentumbeni zethu badlule ezinye inyanga eziningi la estradini they opted to come entumbeni yakho because baze bahlupheka ngemali yabo yokugcina. Ngicela ngathi ukuthi umuntu ngoba sikangena entumbeni yakho bese sodlala ngaye. Mele wazi ukuthi uze kanjalo unethemba lokuthi uzomsiza. So siyacela masikake siyazi ukuthi sonke sifuna imali kodwa masikagijimiseni imali masigijimiseni ukuthi abantu baphile. So ngiyacela ukuthi abantu bonke nabo manizothatha insebenzo ungangeni ngenyawo eli1 ngenyawo zombili ukhona into zakho bese uzokhanyela unizobona ukuthi amayesa amaqhosha asho njalo wesintu ayasebenza, Meriana yasethu uyasebenza, only if you believe, because ngabuya nayo imithi Nigeria, ngibuya nayo Malawi, kodwa wena if you don't have the belief, it start with you ngaphakathi, anyeke kusebenzele mntana Dlozi. So ngokusho njalo ngiyacela abantu abafuna ukuthi ngibasize, mina ngikhona umkhulule Tsatsi ngiseWatville eBenoni. My number again is 074-910-3317. You can also follow me ku YouTube channel yami as Dr. Letsatsi. Kumabaphila bantu Thokozani bakhosi.
There's a song I heard as I am closing the show when I attended your event.
Bakhosi.
But before that, my munches, we are back again with our live studio segment next month. We will be celebrating Africa Month, darling, with Munches and Thoughts. I know the poster is under me because I decided not to put people's pictures because I can decide otherwise. And of course, I am Munches, you are Munches. The song says, Amayeza, Amayeza. I think your wife was singing that. As I rap, it's a rap. Amayeza, Amayeza. You can do it. Amayeza, sing with me. Amayeza, 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 Amayeza. Goodbye, guys. It's a wrap. Thank you so much.